What's up? It's Tiarreab naturally, and today I'm going to teach you how to stitch braid. That's right. Last time I taught you how to do regular braids, and now we're going to do some stitch braiding. And I am so excited because this hairstyle has been all over the place. TikTok, YouTube, you name it. And this is just a viral way of braiding, I guess. So I had to figure it out so I can teach y'all. And happy to say that I figured it out and I'm able to teach you guys, especially if you are a beginner. This should be pretty easy to follow, hopefully. Now, this is a little bit more work than regular braids, I will say. I prefer regular braids, but stitch braids definitely will take your style to the next level if you can really master the technique. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you get you a good part, put the rest of the hair away, and then lather the section with the jam, whatever your edge control, whatever you're going to use to help you get those individual stitches. You basically just want it to look kind of like a zipper. Like you want to be able to see the individual lines as you are braiding the hair. So it's a little similar to regular braids. As you can see with the regular braid, those are kind of natural indentions, but here we're actually going to create the lines that are going to go in between each braid. So we're just laying it on, and then you're going to use your comb or edge brush to go ahead and get it nice and neat and sleek. And then once you do that on both sides and get your part the way you want it, then you can go ahead and begin to braid. This is a mannequin, so I didn't waste too much product on her, but basically you kind of get the gist. You want everything to be nice and neat and precise, and then you're going to separate just that first part there and then begin to create your 3 individual pieces that you're going to start with. Try to make them even as you can, as well as put more product on it before you get started. This is how I find it to be the most successful way for me to stitch braid. There are probably different ways and different tutorials, so hey, this is just something that'll hopefully help get you started, and then maybe you can practice. Go ahead and grab your little one or maybe a mannequin yourself and see what you can do. So here we go. This is basically how we start regular braids. So we're just going to go ahead and take that those 2 fingers and grab the piece on the right and put the piece in the middle down inside, and then continue. So this starts off just like a regular braid. This is where it gets complicated. You have to grab a tool, or even if you're good enough with your fingers. I find that on the left side for me, I'm able to use my pinky finger, but on the right side, I got to use the end of a comb. So, hey, you'll find your rhythm with it, but this is what worked well for me. And as I go on down, I'm just kind of adding a little product and smoothing things out as I go, and just kind of creating that indentation. You'll be able to see really good once I'm done, so just stay tuned to the end of the video. I hope you guys are able to pick up this technique. My goal is to just help you to take your style to the next level, or teach you something new just that you've been wanting to learn. So here's a close-up, and you can see I'm taking my little pinky there. It really helps if you have some nails, or even if you just got your nails done, that's a plus. And then on the other side, I'm sure you can do the other side with your pinky nail as well, but for me, I was just trying to get it the best way I can. Sometimes I even use my pointer finger on that left side as well. But yeah, just adding a little product and just continuing to work my way down. You can already begin to see the little lines in between that are being created as I go. And yes, I'll let you guys watch for a little bit, and I'll come back at the end. Alright, so now that we're at the end of the braid, I flip my hands and do a under braid, and this part is very similar to just doing regular braids, so nothing new here. Definitely want you guys to check out my previous video to learn how to do regular braids. If you enjoyed this one, please give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think, and check out those stitches. Yes, honey, Tiana is looking good. You can see the different little details here. It's a little harder with a mannequin because obviously the hair is put into her head and not naturally growing out. So it's even better when you do it on a human head. But yes, honey, look at that. It's so pretty. It definitely does take your style to the next level, but I would highly recommend learning how to do regular braids first before you jump into stitch braids. I will definitely leave my cornrow tutorial in the comments, but bye bye for now.